Do you want to develop a unique brand identity for your business? Your logo says a lot about your brand. If it looks good, it leaves a good impression on your potential customers. I will share with you a free logo maker tool that can create professional-looking logos in seconds. And best of all, you don't have to have any prior graphic design experience to create a business logo. To make your professional business logo, we will follow 7 steps. Step 1. Visit the link in the description to navigate to the free logo maker and click Get Started. Step 2. Choose the category and visual style that best represents your business. Step 3. Enter your business name and slogan. Step 4. Select all the places where you'll be using your free logo. Step 5. Choose a free logo design that resonates with your brand or business from the logo options. Step 6. Once you have a company logo selected, you can edit and personalize each design your way. Step 7. After you've completed personalizing your cool logo, you're ready to download your logo for your business. To download your logo design, you have to create a free account and the logo will be mailed to your email address. Did you know this free logo maker is created by Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build an online or offline store in minutes. Like this logo creator, Shopify has countless free tools that can help you build your business. From a store marketplace to product sourcing apps, you'll find various free tools that help you build your business better. Shopify Store Builder is easy to use, with drag-and-drop components allowing beginners or experienced entrepreneurs to build their business easily. To create your free online store today, don't forget to visit the link mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching.